In 1916, William Varnum wrote an amazing book on furniture design that broke down the process into 6 or 7 basic rules that are at once obvious but also completely enlightening when put together. Rule 1. The primary mass is a rectangle in some whole number ratio. Rule 2. Divide up the space horizontally. Use your proportions and don't make the divisions equal. Rule 3. Divide the space vertically. Some divisions should be dominant, others should be smaller. Rule 4. Add appendages to the mass, feet, brackets, backsplashes, etc. that obey the above 3 rules. Rule 5. Enrich the form's mass with curves, fillets, and moldings. Avoid plain arcs. There are lots of sub-rules that help you do this. Rule 6. Enrich surfaces with borders, ornament, carvings, and inlay. Again, lots of sub-rules to help you place and size these. And Rule 7, how to select the right value and hue a finish that also ties the piece to the room it's going in. Knowing these rules will give you confidence in designing furniture, knowing what's right, and knowing how to fix it when it's wrong. This book's original edition is hard to find. We brought it back in a nice offset printed Smythstone hardback. It's designed to last several lifetimes, so the book won't become lost again. Principles of Design is now available from Lost Art Press.